Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Well, good evening and welcome back in. Coming up this week, we're talking about an unsettled weather pattern that is going to keep us on our toes here in the weather department. Multiple rounds of rain showers and thunderstorms, some bringing some strong to severe weather for us. All of that going to bring us into the middle of the week, and then we'll be watching the tropics for the weekend, where we could see more rain showers and potentially some thunderstorm activity. The severe thunderstorm warning that we had earlier in Lincoln County has now expired. That storm itself weakening here for us as it moves into Rockcastle County, and will continue to bring 40+ mile-an-hour wind gusts to places like Mount Vernon as we go through tonight. More scattered storms to the east that will continue to be a loud burden for us here, but no severe weather with any of those in southeastern Kentucky as we go through this evening. We're going to continue to see the trend of these showers and storms work their way to the east. You can see we might get some rain here in the Lexington metro, but right now the thunderstorm activity itself is staying to the south. There is a level 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather, mainly a wind and large hail threat for us in the green shaded area, which is just outside of Fayette County. It does include Jessamine County and everything further to the south, and we'll see how it plays out. A couple more storms here and there can't be ruled out for us this evening. Things get drier as we head into the overnight. Here's the setup, and here's why things are going to be busy tomorrow as well. Stationary front right now, keeping most of those storms south of that front, and that's why we're going to be seeing that activity stay out of the metro for the most part. The cold front, though, that's coming in behind it, that is going to make its way up into central parts of the state as we head into tomorrow afternoon. And all week long, rain chances are going to be there. Bigger tomorrow, and then it kind of falls off Wednesday and Thursday. Thursday looks like it might be the driest day of them all. Friday, though, it comes back because of a tropical system that bugs us this weekend, so we've got plenty to look at. Tomorrow, though, the big news that you need to focus on is that there's a level 2 risk for scattered severe thunderstorms. Again, mainly a wind and hail threat, and we're right in the bullseye of this. The yellow shaded region, the best chance to see some more of those scattered warnings pop up. Now, there's going to be 2 different rounds tomorrow, so really in either one, we could see the opportunity for some strong to severe thunderstorms. Watch as Futurecast comes in. Notice how it dries out quickly before 11 p.m. The storms that are on there right now, though, it might be missing a little bit. So we'll see how those go, and we'll track the trends. Here's a broken line of storms, though, expected for early tomorrow morning. Again, another line to the south and north of the Lexington metro, but that could easily fill in through mid-morning. We've got spotty to scattered activity through midday and into the early afternoon before another broken line tries to work its way through. Any one of these little cells could become strong enough to prompt a severe thunderstorm warning. We're going to have that opportunity all the way till even 10 o'clock tomorrow night, but things start to dry out for us again into early Wednesday. A cloudy theme otherwise, at least for the most part. We're going to keep that going into our Wednesday as well. Southeastern Kentucky, a chance for some storms. We could see some lingering rain here in the Lexington metro for Wednesday afternoon. Now flipping the script to what we've got coming our way this weekend. We're talking about tropical storms trying to develop in the Caribbean right now, projected to move into the Gulf, projected to become stronger, and as it does, it'll get a name, and it'll move into the panhandle of Florida. Right now, it's just Tropical Cyclone 9, and as it continues to move and become a tropical storm, it'll get a name. Helene is the next name in the mix for us, and it will continue to work into the Gulf, becoming Cat 1, Cat 2, possibly even Category 3 by the time we get to late Thursday, and late Thursday is when it's going to try to make landfall. We'll want to keep an eye on that because as it progresses, we're looking at an opportunity for the leftovers of this storm to make its way into our region and bring us the opportunity for showers and storms as we go throughout our weekend. We're going to be seeing that as the next big thing too for us down the line as it moves up. We could see showers Friday, Saturday, Sunday. There is another low in the area that we're going to have to keep an eye on. As far as temperatures go, we're looking at a pretty cool week, at least closer to average. Upper 70s every single day, 60s for the overnight. Maybe a little on the muggy side at times, but a busy 7-day nonetheless. That's it for weather. Sports coming up after the break.